Here it is. CSX eastbound train. Auto rack. Tier 4 leading. Here is N216. This is CSX load auto rack train. N216. So this is, I think we're gonna have a DPU on this thing. This has a DPU. Okay, 5HL too, that was loud. Loaded auto rack train. This has a mid DPU. Not a car, auto rack. Auto rack. The DPU is a mid. Mid monorail. That's the fallen flag auto rack right there. This is known, it's called Connor. Same fallen flag like that one, like that Conrail one. That was a fallen flag auto rack. I've seen them on this train too. I've seen them auto. Yep, DPU. 3184. DPU. It is a Jevo. Yep, there's another Conrail. That's an interesting auto rack. That's an interesting one. Another Conrail, look at that. Boy, I like those things. I like more Conrails on this thing. Conrail auto racks. And he is moving! Wow! Don't shuck it either. I didn't hear him shucking. Another Conrail. A lot of Conrails on this one. A lot of Conrail auto racks on this one. This is awesome. He is flying. This guy is flying. This train is flying. There's the end of N216. Another auto rack. 7,000. N217. There's CSX N217. Loaded empty auto rack. And another fan. God, he is moving too. Connector fan out auto rack too. That was graffiti. This is like the oldest train here. He is moving. Wow. What if this is a car? Give him. Look at that. The phone flags here. This is... What is that wheel there? Axle there. Auto racks. Another train auto rack. This thing is at speed. He is at speed. He is definitely speeding here. Top speed here, I think is 55. For freight, for freight trains, for the CS fast freight trains here. He is moving. There should be another DPU on this one. This has got a DPU too. This has a DPU. Yep, DPU. Conrail. Conrail in mid DPU. 3337 DPU. Tier 4 DPU. Trains with DPUs. Freight trains with mid DPUs. Mid DPUs. Not a DPU train too. That auto. Yeah, logo on that auto rack. Auto rack. Lot of auto racks. N217. NT auto rack, right? NT auto rack. There's nothing in the auto car inside. It is all empties. He is moving. Look at that. Wow. A fast freight train here. Track speed is supposed to be 55 here. Wow, he is really moving here. Awesome. This is so awesome here. This is really cool. A lot of it feels away from the train too, from this train moving. This is a busy line here today. Busy day today. Look at that graffiti on that auto rack. That was a cool graffiti on that auto rack. Cool graffiti on that one. Especially I see like really cool graffiti on this one. On these cars here. Shot on that one. Conrail. I really like those cars. Oh, I really like those cars. I really like Conrail Auto Racks. I really like those cars. There's the end. Let me get a zoom on him. Let me get a view on him. Hey, Lisa's fucking asleep. There he is. Way down there. There he is. There he is. At least the zoom is focusing. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good view of him right there. So the locomotive, now I started to see. Gevo. Yep. Definitely AGE. This is gonna be our final train. Looks like 3246 leading. SD40 dash 2. M415 mixed freight train. Yep, I knew it. Mixed freight train, M415. So today, this is awesome. That is awesome. That is awesome. That is awesome. This is cool. A nice train meet today here tonight. Maryland Midland Hopper. Look at that. Never seen that before. Never seen that. Sulfur tanker. Sulfur tankers. Lumber. That is lumber. That is lumber. More Midlands. 2 of them. Look at that. This is so crazy. A slow-moving freight train here. Mixed. This is CSX M415 eastbound. Heading east. This is an eastbound train. You don't know, this is an eastbound mixed freighter train, manifest train. Very slow today. Here at Germantown, Maryland. Here at the Germantown MARC station. Cold, that was a cold meat right there. I cannot believe this meat. Cannot believe that. That is awesome. Loud. God, he is pretty loud. This is our final train. This is going to be our final train. Last train of the day. Manifest freight train. Kind of a coil car. I like those cars. This is a pretty big train here. Wow. Manifest freight train. Mixed freight train. This is a pretty good sized freight train here. Yep, oh, yep, there's the end. There's the end. Wow, that thing was, that's a pretty good freight. That's a pretty big train right there. Huge, huge. Awesome, that was a pretty big freight train right there. That's a pretty big train there. That was a pretty big train right there. That was a pretty big train right there. That was a pretty big train. That was huge.